You've done this before. You see a jacket on a mannequin. It looks expensive, like it belongs in a magazine. You buy it, you put it on, and somehow it looks like nothing. Same jacket, same body, same mirror. So why does it look dead on you? It's not the jacket. It's not your body either. It's because you're buying clothes like a robot, one item at a time, instead of designing an outfit like a stylist. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact rules stylists use, the psychology behind why some men get noticed in a room full of well-dressed people, and how to fix your entire wardrobe logic. Let's get into it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most men don't dress to stand out. They dress to disappear. It's not laziness, it's biology. Psychologists call it the chameleon effect. Humans unconsciously copy the dress, posture, and mannerisms of the group around them. For thousands of years, blending into the tribe meant safety. Standing out meant risk. So your brain, without asking you, keeps steering you toward safe. Black, gray, navy, the same fit everyone else is wearing. You're not choosing boring. Your nervous system is choosing it for you. Look at any college classroom or office floor right now. 80% of guys are in the same 3 outfits: oversized black tee, blue jeans, white sneakers. Nobody looks bad, nobody looks memorable. That's the trap. The second mistake stacks on top of this. You buy pieces one at a time. A t-shirt because it was on sale, jeans because they fit, shoes because your friend wore something similar. None of it was ever meant to go together. You just hoped it would. The fix is simple. Stop asking, does this one item look good? Start asking, does this item break the uniform everyone else is wearing? And you already look 10 times more intentional than the guy standing next to you. Once you understand why you blend in, the next question is how stylists actually build outfits that don't. Rule 1, the 60-30-10 color rule. Interior designers use this to make rooms feel balanced instead of chaotic. Stylists use it for the exact same reason. 60% dominant color, your pants or a jacket. 30% secondary color, your shirt or shoes. 10% accent color, a watch, socks, cap, or belt. Example, black cargo pants, 60%, plus olive green oversized shirt, 30%, plus a brown leather watch or tan cap, 10%. That 10% accent is what makes people's eyes stop on you for an extra second without you saying a word. Rule 2, the rule of thirds. Most guys wear a long oversized t-shirt untucked, cutting their body exactly in half. 50% torso, 50% legs. This makes you look shorter and boxier than you actually are. The fix? Tuck in the front of your shirt or size down slightly so the hem sits at your hip. This creates a 1/3 torso to 2/3 leg ratio, the same ratio stylists use to make actors look taller on red carpets. This one isn't opinion. It's a real psychological study. Researchers at Northwestern University found that clothing doesn't just change how others see you, it changes how your own brain performs. They called it enclothed cognition. People wearing a coat they believed belonged to a doctor performed measurably better on attention tasks than people wearing the same coat described as a painter's coat. The clothing didn't change. The meaning you assigned to it changed your focus, posture, and confidence. Apply that to your wardrobe. Soft, flat, textureless clothing gives your brain nothing to perform for. You slouch more. You move slower. You feel forgettable, so you act forgettable. The fix? Juxtapose textures. Pair rough, structured denim with a smooth leather jacket. Pair a chunky knit sweater with sleek, tapered trousers. This is the fastest, lowest effort upgrade in this entire video. Pants plus shirt is not an outfit. It's just clothing. What separates dressed from styled is a third piece: an overshirt, a bomber or denim jacket, a chain, or a structured cap. Example, black jeans plus white tee is invisible. Add an open flannel overshirt or bomber jacket on top, and the exact same base outfit suddenly looks planned, layered, and deliberate. You didn't change 90% of the outfit, you added one piece, and the entire read changed. This is the single easiest rule to apply starting tomorrow morning. No new wardrobe, no shopping trip. Just grab a third piece from what you already own. Here's where it gets deeper, into how your brain judges strangers in under a second. Psychologists call it the halo effect. One positive trait, like being well-dressed, causes people to unconsciously assume other positive traits too, that you're more competent, more successful, more trustworthy. Layered on top, broad shoulders and a slimmer waist, the V-taper, have been read as signals of health, strength, and dominance for as long as humans have been sizing each other up. This isn't a modern gym bro thing. It's ancient. The fix: stop living in soft, shapeless hoodies that hide your shoulder line. Use structured pieces, a blazer, a denim jacket, a structured overshirt to visually manufacture a stronger V-taper, regardless of your actual gym progress. That's the difference between guys who get dressed and guys who get noticed. If this shifted how you think about your wardrobe, subscribe. More of this coming soon. Thanks for watching.